Hello, it's Tasha with WTA.
Makita's Orbital sander has really saved so much time and effort on projects I want to get done around the house. Out of all of our tools, I would say that this gets used on a weekly basis for different projects or even touching up things around the house. It is so easy to use. It's simple to be able to change out the sanding pad to whatever number that you need. If you want a fine sandpaper or a rough sandpaper, it does all sandpapers. There's very minimal vibration. My hand does not go to sleep with its use. It is such an awesome product, and if you want an orbital sander, you want one that's powerful enough to get the work done, that has a long life in the battery, that's able to do different finishes, and Makita's orbital sander is the one that fits all of that criteria.
And that's my point of view.